Hello and welcome to Vatos Technologies right here on YouTube. If you are passionate about cybersecurity, data analytics, or tech tutorials, you are in the right place. On this channel, you will learn real-world IT skills with hands-on demos and simplified lessons. So, in this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to change your Facebook page URL, like your Facebook page profile URL, just like the one you are seeing here. As you can see, this is facebook.com/Vatos Technologies or Vatos Tech, right? So because normally what you should be seeing here should be all these 1 1 2 3 4, those numerics and letters combined together. But now, as you can see, what we have here is facebook.com/Vatos. So before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss a lesson from us. Alright, let's go. So let me quickly show you how to do this right now. So let me just tap on your Facebook page profile picture, just on your account. Just tap on it. So when you tap on it, you go to your settings and privacy. Then you go to settings. Okay, it's very, very simple. So after that, you can come here where you see find the setting you need, because if you want to find it here, like it might you might get confused. So the best thing to do is to come here and search what you are looking for. So what we are looking for now is username. So what you are looking for now is what? Username. So just search username and you get something like this, like page setup and Vatos Technologies. That's, you see the name of your page. So just click on this one, name. Okay. So when you click on name, we have name, which is Vatos Technologies. Then we have username. Okay. So this is where you will change the URL of your page profile. All right. So this is where you do it. As you can see, so in this place you have an empty blank space here. So come here and type the name of your brand or your name or whatever. So for me, I want to use Vatos Technologies, right? So after writing that, what you will do is you click on Save Changes. So when you click on Save Changes, it will require you to put your password. So when you do that, it will require you to put your password. Though I did not see that, but it's because I have already put my password before. So let me go back to my account. So when you do your own, it will require you to put your password. It's like I did a mistake here. Let me quickly go back. Let me quickly go back. I think. So let me see where the mistake was coming. Where did okay? This EC, I don't know where it came from. Should be Vatos Technologies. Yes, I think it's done. So let me go back to my account. So as you can see, facebook.com/Vatos Technologies. Then you can now copy your URL and send to your client or whatever you want to use to do. You can just copy it from it like this. As you can see, it looks more presentable than having those 112200 and alphabet and numerics joined together. So it looks more presentable like this. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.